Hi bestie, welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Natalia and I love to inspire and empower you to create a more sustainable wardrobe through thrifting and sewing. If you saw last week's video, you know that I'm losing my job in a couple of weeks, but I decided to turn that around and make it a good thing. So I am pursuing my dream of starting my own small business of making jewelry and clothing with thrifted fabric. For the last couple of days, I have been prototyping jewelry, figuring out sizes, colors, designs, everything like that. They are turning out so cute. I'm obsessed. I've also been collecting sweatshirts, hoodies, and crew necks from friends and thrifting, and I have so many cute design ideas. I'm just gonna take you through a whole week of me making inventory and figuring out things for my business. I just picked up a bag of clothing that someone donated to me, so let's go through it. Okay, so let's see. I'm already seeing some really cute stuff. A cute sweater. I don't know what this is, but that's like a really cute graphic that we could totally use. I asked for sweaters and jackets and hoodies, but I think this is everything. So we'll just go through it, and whatever I don't use for my business, I would either keep or donate. This is cute. It's like a little sweater dress. It's just a little scratchy. I want to make sure I'm giving you guys comfy things. I feel like I could make some cute earrings or something. My knees hurt. This is such a fun print. It's not something that I would ever buy, but I know for a fact that it would either make a cute addition to a hoodie or something fun. Let me go show you my current pile of stuff. It's quite a lot, honestly. There's a mix of sweaters and sweatshirts, and there's a few back here as well. So yeah, I already have so many ideas for things that I want to make with this and the things that we just unboxed. So I just finished filming all of those sweaters, and I did also film some TikTok transitions for my socials. It took forever, and I'm not even sure that I got good enough footage for photos for my Instagram. So I don't know if I should retake them or if I should look at them on my computer, make sure that it's fine before I put everything away. Actually, I think that is what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna wash the dishes first so that I can have a clean house before I start making it a mess again with all my fabric. I am taking this Nirvana sweatshirt and this flannel, and I'm gonna be combining them into a really cute band hoodie vibe. I basically just eyeballed the cutout for the shape that I wanted and then just joined it with my serger. I obviously will take product pictures, but look how cute it turned out. But overall, I am obsessed, and all the seams turned out really good with the serger. So yeah, I love this. I actually really like this style because it makes it a little slouchier on the sides. I love her. I want to keep her, and she's so cozy. Like, you can't tell the difference from like the sweatshirt material to the flannel material, and I loved it. Learned a lot from this one, and I think I'm gonna call it for today though, because I need to go to dinner, and then I will continue this throughout the week. But one down, I think I'm trying to aim for 10 for this launch, just to see if people buy them. Like, I don't want to make like 20 of these and then them not sell. So I want to do 10, and if they're really popular, then I'll up it to 20 for the next launch. Yeah, let me know if you like this. Like, what bands / color combinations would you like to see? I think if I could find a thrifted Taylor Swift one, I could do something so cute for that. But anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm gonna go to dinner now. Next day. Hi, so I forgot my camera, but I am gonna go to the thrift store super quickly. I need to pick up a couple of more colors and textures and fabric. I have a few ideas for designs, but there's just some colors and fabrics that I'm missing. I also had the idea to do really cute like jean patches, and right now I only have one jean jacket left, and the panels, it's like it has paneling, so they're super thin and not enough for me to cut fabric. So I also need to get a pair of jeans or something like that. I just got so much stuff, and it's so cute, and I almost talked myself out of all of it because there was like tan tags, but it said everything that is yellow tag wasn't off. So I was like, maybe I was seeing a lot of tan tags. So I was like,
maybe like the tan is the yellow, but I still couldn't pass some stuff up, and I got it, and everything was 50% off. That is amazing. I might go to there's another one of these thrift stores nearby. My God, guys, sorry I didn't film. It's been so busy at the thrift stores today, and I'm just trying to focus on finding good stuff. And since I don't have my camera today, I can't just set it up. But I have 2 huge bags of stuff. So I think before I start sewing today, I need to go and find some way to organize all of this. Here's a little sneak peek of some of the things that I got. All right, I am back, and I have put everything that I got today in this bin, and it's nice and clean. So now I can get started on sewing some new designs. I'm so excited. Do not judge my outfits these days. All of my stuff is dirty, and it's all getting washed today. So this is all I have to wear. I am indeed wearing trousers, a shirt, and a zip-up hoodie. It's not the cutest, but it's keeping me cozy. For this sweatshirt, the process was basically the same, except instead of serging it together, I just had to top stitch it since it was a wavy pattern. Have a little update on this sweater. This is how it turned out. I originally wasn't going to do this middle fabric, this like lighter pink, but I felt like it needed more length, and I'm super glad that I did because now it is the perfect length. I still have to fix a few things and finish off the inside, but I think it looks really good, and I learned so much. Like, I'm learning so much as I go. Welcome to the label saga. Buckle in because this is going to be a journey. I started by printing them onto a transfer paper that I already had, cutting them out, putting them on ribbon, and burning the edges so it didn't fray. Yesterday, I also ended up making a scrunchie because I also want to sell these with thrifted fabric. And I made this one out of a jumpsuit that was donated to me because I thought the fabric was super cute. And this is where the tag would go. I did iron it on and it fell off. So I've decided either I'm going to get a Cricut or I'm just going to have to order the tags. The Cricut would be the best idea in the long term, I think, so that I can make my own tags. If I ordered the tags, I think it's like $50 for 80 of them, which is not that many. I did end up making them all yesterday. So these I'm going to have to scrap because let me show you. You can see the texture, the ribbon versus where it's ironed on. So I don't like that. I don't think it looks professional. So I did buy the Cricut. I have it right here. I picked it up from a lady from Marketplace. She said there was going to be transfer tape in it, but there wasn't. Thankfully, Target was having a deal. So let me show you what I bought. So from the dollar store, I actually found a cutting mat because the one she gave me is kind of old. They didn't have like the weeder tool, so I got this. Hopefully it works. It was like $6 for both of these, so super cheap. I just got the iron-on in black and transfer tape so I can make my stamp. And then we've got the cutie little Cricut Joy here. Looks good. She said she only used it twice. Hopefully everything turns out okay. I am so confused. It's saying that it's cutting, but it's just going like back and forth. And this isn't moving. That's not cutting, so I don't know what to do. I might just do it without the mat and see if that works. It's just shaking back and forth. I don't actually think it's working. I need to research this. I wanted to see if it was me or if it was the material. And I think it's me. Okay, so you can, I don't know if you can actually see, but it did print test on there. This whole Cricut experience is not going at all how I planned. I finally got it to print out or cut out, I guess, my logo, but I forgot to take off the excess paper and ironed it on to test it. And so now it's just a black square. I am going to fucking lose it. It printed it, but I think it's too small. Yeah, like it didn't even do it cleanly. I don't think that you are ready for this. Because what I'm trying to do is way too small for the Cricut. So it just peels off the letters when I peel off the backing of the iron-on. That didn't work. So then I was like, let me go back to the transfer paper to see what I could do. Every time I use transfer paper, you have to print it reverse, which is what I did. And so it came out like this, which I think like the letters are still too freaking small to read. I don't know if I should go and get another transfer paper, try again. But at this point, I'm just going to have to order labels and I'll just sell the Cricut that I bought online because I am fed up with these labels not working and I have so many other things to do. Instead of just ordering new labels, I decided, you know what, we're going to try again. So I bought more transfer paper. No fucking way. It just printed this on my transfer paper. Okay, well, I'm not going to waste this one. I finally got everything printed. Started cutting it out. Everything was going great. The small labels printed perfectly. I started putting them on the ribbon. And then the bigger labels, you can't even see the writing that is underneath. So I had to reprint them because this just doesn't look good. And if you're thinking, wow, that was crazy, but I'm glad everything ended up working out. Wrong. I think I'm going to have a meltdown. Because I just spent the last hour making the small labels and I don't even have anything. Oh my God. I just spent an hour making these small labels and I saw online that you should put them on a parchment paper so that you can peel it up and it's seals itself. But instead of doing that, they just completely got ruined. And I even thought, okay, you know what? It's fine. I will simply just test one out. But I was like, you know what? I tested this out yesterday and it worked fine. But no, it all got ruined. Then I proceeded to redo all of that again with the new big tags and do the small tags again. And they finally came out perfect. So I decided to go ahead and attach them to the sweatshirts that I finished. I pulled out a bunch of fabric I want to use to make scrunchies, and I'm also going to make headscarves. I'll put in a picture of the inspo for the headscarves. I've been wanting to make one for myself with this fabric for a long time, so I'm excited to actually make those, and I'll make some to put on the shop. Hi guys, so I took a little bit of a break to just sew and figure out what I was going to do next, and I decided to sew a mock-up of the headscarves that I was cutting out yesterday, and they're freaking adorable. Are you kidding me? Look at this. I haven't finished it all the way, but even the tags look so good. I put one on this. Let me show you. So I haven't cut off any of the strings. I literally finished it 2 seconds ago and I have some stuff to hand sew, but it looks like this. It's like a little headband on the bottom. Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed with it. Things are looking up. All right, guys, that is a wrap for this week's video. Thank you so much for coming along on this wild journey with me. We're definitely hitting bumps in the road, but I am having so much fun. I really hope that you guys are liking what you are seeing so far. If you want to stay up to date with my small business, follow me on my socials. They're all at So Flipping Thrifty. There will definitely be more of these small business vlogs as I am building this out. And it would really, really help me out if you could like this video and to subscribe. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day and I will see you next week.